Guess I'm making 3 videos. Ugly. Please, 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 on either of the videos, please teach me in the comments. What the fuck? What the fuck is that? What the fuck? Look at it. What is it? I don't like it. Probably a snake hole. There's a ton of just holes in this forest. Ow, what the fuck? This is a steel bitch. That bitch that was fucking hurting me. This. I need to get back urgently. Shit. I heard a skinwalker. I don't fuck with skinwalkers. Oh my gosh. Oh, lizard. Oh, you want anyone? Okay. I'm a medium, so I can sense what spirits are here. I sense a skinwalker, and I don't fuck with skinwalkers. So we're getting out immediately. I got you, didn't I? I'm retarded? No, there's actually something that's behind me. Is there something behind me? Shit. Wrong way. No, wait, right way. Yep, right way. I think I can go under it. Shit. I really am lost. I know where I am though, I'm just not lost. Is that fucking blue? I don't know. I thought I saw a blue grasshopper for a second.